All of you will say here,
Guys, nakatabi karon sa Santo Niño Church. May Santo Niño. Santo Niño Church.
Love your enemies. Higugma ang imong kaaway. Sayon lisod.
Santo Niño Church.
Mura ba pag yun na convince sa tuwan na lisod? Sayon lisod. Lisod na kapugos na tuwa para panayo na si Father. My dear brothers and sisters, to love one's enemies is difficult. We try to ask us to love them. Making friends with people we consider our enemies despite discrepancies. Blessing them and praying for them are concrete ways of loving them. Sometimes, human as we are, it's very difficult to go to that person.
Siya mapalitan sa Santo Niño.
Mas daw yan. Kumano ginagawa ni Robert pa no?
Oo. Pipili yung mga Santo Niño.
Dahil mga price na siya.
Ano yung mga price?
480, 580.
But rather, by their brothers and sisters, in terms of the difficulty of what's everything, the gospel would say, or Christian teaching would say, pray for them.
Ano ang mga palitan sa Santo Niño? Mga rebultos.
But at the same time,
Ako'y mga gitara.
love for one's enemy
May Mama Mary na ay nasaan na siya?
It is possible to
Kompleto siya.
Being friends with our enemies is Jesus' call to each of us today. For love is the only word that can truly transform the world.
Pilang yan eh. Pilang yan eh, sir?
You want what is love without repeating what is
Gwapo, pabintahan.
And in the end, I will be asked or summarized. I would say, love is something this
Atbang lang na siya diri sa Santo Niño Church. Ano siya ang religious articles.
in this last contemporary, the love are reflecting about and the love that ends.
Dako ra kayo na eh.
Oh, sa 170
the person that is so difficult.
wala pa.
Love will ends. But brothers and sisters, as we continue our celebration, let our prayer for this week for all our
Religious articles.
Dear Lord, grace us to act as we children.
Bawal mo sulod diri miss.
Love
Short
enemies
sulod.
as you love them. Grace us to end holiness.
Ako ba na
Grace us to start not overseas in terms of loving, but in my own backyard, in my office, in the parish,
guys.
wherever I live and more.